Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to create a new project. Okay, so it's very easy. You just click in create a new project. We're gonna select a type of project called console application. Okay, let's click and go. We're gonna click next. Because we are on a C course, we're gonna select C. Okay, there is C++, but we're gonna use C. Next, I'm gonna type hello underline world. We need to select a folder. Let me create a folder right here, guys, very quickly. Let's create a folder. Okay, new folder. Let's call C files. C projects, actually. C projects. Okay. So let's select that folder. It is on my this PC desktop C projects. Okay, let's click next. And next, you guys can see here we can choose a compiler. We're gonna use the GCC compiler because it's the standard. So there we go, guys. There are some things that I need to talk about here. So right here we have the workspace, which will show you will show us the other files that are in our project. There is some menus here. We're gonna talk about them later. So let's just show a file that we have called main.c. Let's click in tools, actually settings, editor. Let's see if I can increase the font a little bit. I think it's right here. Yeah, I think I'm mistaken, right? Okay, it is in the environment. Let me see, guys. View. Okay, general. What is the text editor? Yeah, I think it's here. Let me see. Editor should be here, right? Okay, I forgot where exactly it is. Let me see. Let me see. Where is it? Okay, Fortran project. No. Source formatter. Syntax. No. Folding general settings. Where is it? Well, either way, you guys can just click Control plus, okay, Control and adds signal on the numpad, and you guys can increase, or you guys can just hold Control and scroll with the mouse, and you guys can increase very quickly. Okay, so we have this file which has 8 lines. You guys can see we have this to include statements, which we'll talk about later, and we have this block of code which is called a scope. Okay, with the main method. This is a method, but you guys can call it scope or function. Okay, depending on your background. So what this does is basically to print the message "Hello World" onto the console. So to compile this, because C needs to convert this into a machine code or binary or executable, you need to click on this symbol, or you can come in build. You can come to build or control function 9. Let's click here. You will see that in the log and others, there is the information. There is running this command. Okay, so the process was done successfully. It took 8 seconds to be completed. So we can come in build and we can run now. So if you run, you guys will see this Hello World right here. Okay, so that you go, folks. This is basically a Hello World program. You're gonna talk about in detail later on the next video. So see you guys in the next video.